morning. My name is John Mayers. How are you this morning? Sunny weather, okay. That's a common thing in Russia or not? Mm-hmm. What do you normally do during the summertime? Exam of what exactly? So you haven't finished your university yet. Mm-hmm. And how do you feel after you graduated? Mm-hmm. Now it will help you, yes? Mm, okay. Um, so what is your graduation? What's the graduation subject? What is your major? And what do you consider to be your expertise? hmm What are you good at in terms of computers? hmm And do you have any salary, um, any salary desire? Is there, what do you expect to be your salary? It will be acceptable. Okay, it's about $800, correct? A month. $600 a month. Okay, okay. Um, and do you have any experience? Because I have seen from your resume, this is going to be your first job, yes or no? First skilled job. So, what other jobs did you have in the past? Leading in the construction building. Leading. Explain me more this, please. You used to be a manager of some kind. You used to be a supervisor. What was your hierarchical position? Like a drone, a regular worker. Okay. And how well did you get along with your teammates? No, no. How well could you get along with your teammates? Mm-hmm. And did you had in did you have any trouble working with your teammates? Any conflicts? Mm-hmm. So your teammates, and including you, broke some piece of equipment, then you had to share the bill to rebuy a new one. Yes? Ah, one person. And how did you feel about this sharing? Mm-hmm. Okay. And how well do you work in teams? Do you prefer to work in teams or alone? And how well do you take bad feedbacks and criticism? How well do you see bad feedbacks? Mm-hmm. Okay. And what do you consider to be your three best assets for our company? And what do you consider to be your, let's say, bad qualities, your flaws? Yeah, assets, yes. Qualities, yes. Mm-hmm. And what do you consider to be your worst assets? You're fanatical for sports, yes? What sports, for example? Kettlebell. It's like CrossFit. Okay, okay, that's great. Are you okay about working under pressure with narrow deadlines? Is it? Can you give one? If it's a common situation, can you give one example when you had to work with under stressful? Yes. And why should we hire you? And why have you chosen this profession? And why have you chosen this specific job and this company? hmm And let's move on to some more specific related to your job, specific related questions to your profession. What languages can you program well? hmm Besides mhm. Besides encrypting, what else do you know about safety, data safety, and protection? And what other apps, programs do you master well? Can you handle pretty well? But how about basic Office, for example, Word, Excel, browsers? And how about video editing? How about imagery and this kind of stuff? How do you handle? Yes. Do you know, for example, Photoshop? Do you know Corel Draw? Okay, and a final question. Let's suppose you are working in a team. You are programming together, maybe in different languages. You are programming Python, another partner is programming another module in Java, for example, and another partner is programming the same another module of the same program in C++. How do you troubleshoot a problem that might occur if it came to you to solve the problem? How to troubleshoot problems in a program? What's your modus operandi? Mm. And how do you organize your timetable in your projects, your personal, let's say, modus operandi? How do you organize your life towards working and your projects, your timetable? How do you do this? Mm-hmm. Okay, that's all for now. Enjoy your morning. Bye bye.